It's an overcast day here on the bayou, and I'm getting ready for my annual hunting trip to Texas. And normally I do a lot of videos and prep for that, but I found that I've kind of gotten my gear list down to the point that there's just no reason to make the ad nauseum video of this is what I'm taking, unless I have something new or improved to show you. And this definitely falls into that category. This was a gift from a really good friend who listens and paid attention, and I had mentioned that I thought this was a cool item just in passing, and next thing you know, uh, I had it. And what it is it's a product from Rite-In-The-Rain, and it's a little uh, index card holder. And of course, these index cards are Rite-In-The-Rain index cards. And it's a kit that they sell. You get the pen, the Rite-In-The-Rain pen that writes anywhere on anything, and then you get 100 index cards, and then you get this card holder. And what it'll do is it's fairly water resistant. I mean, obviously it's not waterproof, but it has a pouch on one side for holding extra cards, and then it has a place to hold the card that you're working on at the time. And this is made, I think, mostly with military in mind, but the reason why it just really caught my eye is because I think it's going to be wonderful for hunting, because I tend to I've got the map here. It's probably kind of hard to see on the camera, of all the hunting spots um, on the hunting property in Texas. And what I like to do is take notes each day, each spot, so that I can remember. Because to be honest with you, 7 days of just going full bore hunting day and night, sometimes all night, sleeping when you can, things tend to run together. And so I like to keep good notes. And in the past, I've kept them in a Rite-In-The-Rain notebook. But this is so much more purpose driven to me. So it's basically, if you were in the military, it's like a range card. So each position I'll get into, each one of these, if you can see it, these are deer stands or places where it's a good place to encounter animals. And each place I get into, I'll have a fresh card, and I'll actually make kind of a range card. And then I'll take notes on what happened. Did I see anything? Did I shoot anything? Da, 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 da. And this is just perfect, because rather than take that notebook out every day, I'm just taking out what I need, and it's nice and firm, something to write on, and I think it's going to be great, and I'm really excited. Like I said, there's not a lot of new things in my hunting gear, and I'm not going to bore you just packing the same stuff over and over every year. But when I come across something really, really neat, and especially when a dear friend, you know, gifts you something like this, I just want to share it with you. And of course, when I come back from my trip and I do my after action, I will talk about this and show you what I did, and show you the notes I took, and tell you how it went. But I just want to share that with you. It's a Rite-In-The-Rain. It's on their website. I'm not sure how much it costs, because it was a gift, and I don't tend to go and look and see how much a gift costs. But it's a neat little thing. Because it's Rite-In-The-Rain, I'm not worried about it getting wet, or the dew getting to it. And I'm just really excited to put it through its paces. Hey, thanks for watching.